got clean floors, bright lights, late night shine. S&M cleaning, keep the kitchen on time. From the front door mats to the back of house, we make restaurants clean like a southern house. Boots on the tile, yeah, we clock in late after closing time when the cooks rotate. Grease on the stove, no, we handle that. Floor so clean you can see where you stand at. Tables wiped down, restrooms fresh, health code ready, yeah, we passed that test. From dinners to bars to 5-star plates, S&M cleaning, keep it first shift ready by daybreak.
Clean kitchen, country grind, we work hard while the city on wine. Nashville nights, restaurant shine, S&M cleaning every single time.
Mop in my hand, radio low, dust off the fence, make the stainless glow. Back of the house to the dining room, we clean it right so you don't lose revenue. Weekly, nightly, whatever you need. Local, reliable, built on trust and speed. Family owned, yeah, we do it right. Keeping restaurants clean every single night.
If you run a restaurant and you want it done right, call S&M Cleaning, we clean it overnight. Local janitorial you can count on, true S&M cleaning service, we work for you.
Yeah, clean floors, bright lights, late night shine. S&M cleaning, keep the kitchen on